What's going on, everybody? Tom here with Keto Lifestyle, and welcome to another cooking video just for you subscribers out there. Now, this video is actually going to begin my ketogenic barbecue series because you all know that barbecue is a staple in my life, and a lot of you guys have been asking me for different recipes over years that honestly I've been really bad about getting to you. So today we are going to start the barbecue series, and the biggest thing we're going to do here is the barbecue sauce, right? A ketogenic barbecue sauce is the staple of all barbecue, and the thing is, when you go to the store, most of them are going to be loaded with sugars. So I have one here that I'm going to show you guys that is a keto-friendly barbecue sauce. By keto-friendly instead of ketogenic, what I'm trying to say is there's not a lot of fat in it, but it is very low carb, and that's really all there is in it is carbs, but it is so much lower than the rest that you can fit it into your ketogenic diet. So if that sounds good to you guys, hang on tight, and I'm going to show you how to make it. Alright, everybody, welcome to the recipe, and as you can see, I have laid out in front of me the ingredients for our ketogenic barbecue sauce. So what we've got here is we have 24 ounces of a sugar-free ketchup. The Heinz, no sugar added. Actually, it's pretty good. It's sweetened with sucralose, but a little bit of it. So it's not my favorite keto sweetener, but it definitely is zero glycemic index. Additionally, we've got a third cup of allulose, a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of spicy brown mustard, 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke, and 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos. So what I'm going to do is just pour everything into my tomato sauce, or sorry, my ketchup. Might be a little hard to do with the mustard, but good thing I got a whisk here to help me out. Now we're going to go ahead and give this thing a mix. Now, for those of you that aren't familiar with allulose, I think I'll talk about that while I go ahead and mix this. Allulose is a sugar that basically your body can't absorb, so it will show up as sugar on nutrition labels, but it has zero glycemic index. They've found in a lot of independent studies that it has no impact on blood sugar, so allulose is totally fine to use on a ketogenic diet. It will not hurt your ketosis. It is a little bit less sweet than sugar, but the thing I really like about it is it's one of the only keto sweeteners that I have that absorbs fully in water, and it will also caramelize. So during the next step of this recipe, which I will transition to here in a second when we're actually going to cook this down, that allulose is going to actually caramelize slightly. So here is our mixed barbecue sauce. Hang on tight while I bring a hot plate and a pot over here to cook this down. Now, I did have to ditch the covering here. I usually use that so you guys don't see the reflection of the lights, but because I'm going to be using a hot plate, I can't do that. So I'm going to go ahead and heat this up and put my pan on a medium-high heat and pour this directly in there. And then we're going to go ahead and stir this. Once it gets to, kind of a simmer, we're going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes before we go ahead and take it off and let it cool. Now, as you can see, this is starting to darken up, and some of the sugars that we added in and the natural sugars from the tomatoes are starting to caramelize. I like to add in a little bit more sugar, so we're going to put an additional 1/3 cup of allulose into this and give it a nice stir. This is not going to caramelize as far as the stuff we added earlier because it's going to have less time on the heat, so it kind of gives it a little bit difference in flavor, right? The stuff we added first is going to act more like brown sugar. This is going to act more like a white sugar or something like that nature. Go ahead and stir this in, cook it for about an additional 2 minutes, and then you should be good to go. Alright guys, now that you've seen the recipe, what I have here is the barbecue sauce that I went ahead and put in a sugar-free Heinz bottle and just relabeled it barbecue sauce because that's kind of how I store mine. Stuff is fantastic. Just keep it in the fridge and it'll last you quite a while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and give it a taste test with some that I just squirted into this tiny dish and let you know what I think. Now, that is a very good barbecue sauce and is probably by far the best that I've had, keto, store-bought or otherwise. It's a little bit sweet, but definitely a lot of tangy, and you get a little bit of smoke coming through from the liquid smoke. So I find it to be a very balanced barbecue sauce. The problem I have with a lot of the like G-Hues and that is it tastes very chemically. This is nice, tangy, sweet barbecue flavor, which is exactly what I'm looking for in a barbecue sauce. With that, guys, I'm going to close the video. If you like the video, leave it a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section. If you want to do me a huge favor and share this video to all your friends, that helps me out too. And if you have not subscribed yet, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit that subscribe button, show us some love, and I'll see you in the next one.